The sights and sounds of the chaos at times was controlled and Alicia, very difficult to watch.
Difficult to watch, important to see. Those were the words from Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms, only on CBS 46. We bring you this deeper look into the pain behind the protest.
Atlanta didn't deserve this. I'm here to look at the aftermath of what happened the other day. My name is John Paul Bell, disabled American, U.S. Coast Guard.
This is not a protest. This is not in the spirit of Martin Luther King Jr. This is chaos.
What was going through my mind when I saw this last night was helplessness.
Why did you come out here to do this?
Because it takes one person to make a difference and to show the right thing. And I know my nephew and my niece may see this. And I want them to understand that there's a better way to protest than to destroy things.
We as parents, as mothers, we are sick and we are fed up about burying our children. We gotta come together as a race to bury our children because they are treating us as black. Being black is a crime. It's not a crime.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime. So I've been here for 3 days, and I would be here for 3 more days, and 30 more days, and 30 more years until the racism stops, until they stop killing us.
I'm glad they only took down a sign as they faced the building and they're not killing human beings like that policeman did. I'm glad that they only destroyed some brick and mortar and they didn't rip a father from a son. They didn't rip a son from a mother like the policeman did. When a man yells for his mother in duress and pain and she's dead, he is essentially yelling, please God, don't let it happen to me.